Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well today. It is a warm early February day here in Central California. It's supposed to be 70 today, so I thought it would be a good day to take one of my old window boxes that's seen better days and still in good condition, but I thought I'd stain it and put some flowers in it to set on our patio table. The weather has been, we have had a very mild winter this year, so this will dry super quick and I can get back and put the flowers in it. I wanted to let you know that I'm not going to stain all the way inside. I'm only going to go about, halfway, because the dirt's going to come up, and so you don't need to stain the bottom of it, but I'm going to start on the bottom first. And I'm just using, I think this is early American stain. And you can use an old rag, an old t-shirt. That would be something good to use if you don't have actual staining rags. Okay, it's all finished, except for I don't know if I can zoom in close, but because it's, I want to call it louvered, it's probably not the right term, but you'll notice by the time you're done that, take it with your fingernail and get in the crevices, because I can tell I missed a few spots. And you'll be able to see that right away when it starts drying. So I'll do that real quick. And it's already pretty much dry. So I'm going to go back over it, see any spots I missed, then we'll come back in about 30-45 minutes and we'll plant it up. So you can see here I didn't do the inside, which is totally okay. It's going to be covered by dirt. Before I put the potting soil in, I just wanted to go over staining this real quick. Make sure that you get all the crevices and the seams. It will start to dry pretty quickly, and you'll notice if you step back, oh shoot, I missed a spot. So don't be afraid to take a look at it and like, oh, okay. Just go over it again, because this was dry before even 30 minutes. So I'm going to use white stock flowers and Superbells Grape Punch. Look at how beautiful those purple flowers are with a yellow throat. They're gorgeous. So before I do that, I don't like using rocks in the bottom, so I'm going to use a coffee filter, and I'm just going to fold it in half, put it at the bottom because I want to make sure it definitely drains. And the potting soil I use is recipe 420. Oh, and I have my little handy cup in there. And if they're root bound, don't be afraid to pull them off, break them up a little bit. Well, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it inspiring. This didn't take but less than a whole hour to do and put together, and you guys were going to blink and it's going to be spring, and we're going to be planting tons and tons of spring and summer annuals. And as the weather begins to warm up, I hope this video finds you well and hopefully not too cold. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!